Hello, in front of me is ASUS Zenfone M2. Today I'll show you how to change to custom ringtone. Firstly, go to Settings. Then open Sound and go to Phone Ringtone. Here's the list of all system ringtones. To select your own ringtone, click Add Ringtone. And select. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.